Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right behind me we have one of the Stork Stingray collection pieces that we store here at Bullet Motorsports. This is a 1966 Corvette in Nassau blue. It's a 300 horse car, and it's probably one of the nicest 300 horse convertible cars that we've ever seen or ever had in our collection. This particular car has had a no expense spared nut and bolt restoration. That doesn't mean that it was restored with the original parts and put back together. Everything was taken apart and replaced with new pieces. So I'm going to start with the front fascia of this vehicle. You're going to come closer and take a look at all of the chrome and brightwork. All of the fiberglass is in excellent condition, and that Nassau blue just really pops in the sun. Take a look at how the hood is. I mean, you can literally see your reflection. It's beautiful. Engine bay is like candy because there was no expense spared when they put this thing together. It runs and drives great. We did put the 340 horse valve covers on there, so those are the aluminum covers. That just makes it look much, much better. I would say that this car actually does have around 340 horsepower based on how it drives, and we will show you that later on. Take a look at all the body lines as we walk towards the rear of the vehicle. You've got yourself your side pipes. You've got yourself your knockoff wheels with the red lines. The car is unbelievable. The rear section of this car, when you come over here, take a look at how straight it is and how perfect it is. There's no imperfections in the fiberglass or bodywork. It looks like a no-hit car. Gas filler is in the center. Has a power antenna, so you flip a switch under the dash and it pops up. All the chrome is in pristine condition. And then take a look at the body line as you walk to the side of this vehicle. I'm going to start it up right now so you can see how nice it really sounds. It's got blue interior. I'll open this up while I start it. And all of it is in excellent condition. The seat belts are brand new, the steering wheel is brand new, everything on the dash works as it should. And take a look at the detail of this interior piece while I start it. I mean, there was no expense spared. Battery's a little bit weak, but we'll get that taken care of before we sell it. Sounds unbelievable. I don't know if you can hear those side pipes. It's mesmerizing. Engine is very healthy. Sounds so good. What do you say we put this thing in the air and do underneath walk around? All right, I'm going to show you guys perfection. This is underneath the 67 Corvette. I want to first start off with showing you this book right here that will be, some of these photos will be in our gallery. It wasn't just taken apart and regasketed. It was completely reassembled and rebuilt with all new parts. And that's your gear case, all the power steering, everything was disassembled and rebuilt. It's not just put back together. So let's start from the rear of the car and go towards the front. All the suspension is brand new, as you can see. All the shocks, every single retainer clip, all the body mounts. I mean, this car is, you can eat off of the bottom. When I'm saying that, I'm not joking. This is a real deal, full nut and bolt restoration. All the hoses are brand new. The body itself is in excellent condition. Every single cast piece is done correctly. Take a look at the driveline, the differential, it's all perfect. As I walk towards the front of it, look at the, I mean, there's so much to look at here. The frame rails, there is not a speck of rust. The whole driveline has been rebuilt. You got your Muncie right here, and we'll have the numbers for the cast in our description. The engine bay is super clean. There is not a single lick of oil coming from this vehicle. All of the exhaust pipes are brand new because it's a fresh restoration. You've got your heat shields in place, and then take a look at the exhaust when you get close to this, and you can see that there was so much detail work done. So you've got your brass fittings here. All of the wires are in excellent condition. When you look at the springs, everything looks great. Look at the fuel pump here, it's just perfect. I mean, this is the epitome of perfection when you're looking underneath a Corvette. This is probably one of the nicest 300 horsepower 67 Corvettes you will find on the market today. Let's go to the front right now. I want you to see all the fasteners right here, along with all the chrome. Everything is perfect. So if you fly in, you're not going to find anything wrong with this car. Thank you. We're inside the cockpit of the 1966 Corvette. I want to go over all the gauges here. Look at how nice they are. Everything's been restored to perfection. Your tachometer works as it should. Your speedometer works as it should as well. Your shifter ball and all of the interior pieces are like brand new because they've all been replaced. The leather seats are very supple, and you've got yourself your power antenna, your parking brake, and your headlight switch. All of this operates as it should. The glove box is in excellent condition and has the original owner's manual in there. All of the exterior looks great, and then you've got yourself a white vinyl top that is brand new. Look at all the hardware. It's all perfect. I mean, everything about this car is right. Let's go for a ride. We'll go through the gears. I'm going to go through all 4 gears, and then we will come back and we'll give it a little bit of an acceleration run so you can see how it feels. Remember, this is a 300 horse car, but everything from the interior of this motor to the exterior has been replaced. So right now we're in first gear. Those side pipes sound unbelievable. That's a 2,500 RPM shift. The steering feels great. Oh, we're about to lose my top cover. Can you reach back there and grab that vinyl protection, please? I'll pull over. I got it. Don't want to lose your vinyl. So you can put a hard top on this. It's set up for a hard top. I should have probably pulled these off before I went for the ride. But let's keep going. Start over again. First gear, 2,500 RPM shift. The clutch engages as it should. Partial throttle into third gear. No funny shaking from the suspension. We're going to go over some bumps here, and you're going to see how nice it is. It doesn't make a single noise when you're going over bumps. We're in fourth gear now. We're going about 45 miles an hour. Here come the bumps. Not a single sound from that suspension because all the bushings are brand new. Everything about this car is new. You will not find another piece or another 66 Nassau Blue like this. I'm going to downshift into third and then into second, and we'll do a little bit of an acceleration run. Brakes feel great. Take in our corner. Oh, it runs and drives excellent. So if you have any questions about this car, just give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're going to go ahead and keep enjoying this. Have a great day.